How to fix Bluetooth not finding devices in Windows. Simple guide. If your Windows PC can't find Bluetooth devices, try these easy fixes. 1. Check Bluetooth drivers. Make sure the correct Bluetooth drivers are installed. If your PC has built-in Bluetooth, install the motherboard's Bluetooth driver. If you're using a Bluetooth USB adapter, dongle, install its driver. 2. Turn on Bluetooth pairing mode. Open settings greater than Bluetooth and devices greater than add device greater than Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth device and make sure it's in pairing mode. For phones, open the Bluetooth settings screen to make the phone discoverable. For speakers, headphones, or mice, press and hold the pairing button if needed. 3. Test another Bluetooth device. Try connecting a different Bluetooth device. If another device works, the original device may have a problem. If no devices work, the issue is likely with your computer. 4. Check the Bluetooth support service. Search for services in Windows. Find Bluetooth support service. Right-click it, select Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic, and make sure the service is running. 5. Restart both devices. Restart your Windows computer. Turn your Bluetooth device off and back on. Try pairing the device again. Following these steps should help your Windows PC detect and connect to Bluetooth devices successfully. If the problem continues, consider updating Windows or reinstalling your Bluetooth drivers.